Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a restaurant-style omelet. First, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Whisk them vigorously with a fork until they are just combined and slightly frothy, but avoid over-whipping. Have all your desired fillings, like cheese, herbs, or sautéed vegetables, prepped and ready to go. This ensures a smooth and quick cooking process. Now for the cooking technique. Place an 8-inch non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt, swirling to coat the entire surface. Once the butter is foamy, pour in your whisked eggs. Let the eggs set for a few seconds without stirring, allowing the edges to firm up slightly. This initial setting is crucial for a tender omelet. It's time to fold and finish your masterpiece. As the eggs cook, gently push the cooked edges towards the center with a spatula, tilting the pan to let uncooked egg flow underneath. Once the top is mostly set but still a little moist, add your pre-cooked fillings to 1/2. Carefully fold the omelet in half, then slide it directly onto a warm plate. Serve immediately for the best taste and texture. Here are some final pro tips for your restaurant-style omelet. Remember, the key is not to overcook it. The inside should still be slightly moist and creamy. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fillings like fresh herbs, various cheeses, or even a touch of creme fraiche for extra richness. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic products. Enjoy your delicious omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.